Hello students, how are you? Myself Anita Taneja, and today we will complete our previous topic of 9th class, that is voices. Some points which are left, so I am discussing here one by one with the example. Please concentrate on my lecture. Okay students, firstly in the active voice there are some sentences having vague subject. Vague means not clear, not definite. These subjects are all, everybody, everyone, no one, none, etc. If we have these subjects in active voice, so we will not repeat these subjects as object in passive voice. For example, someone has killed the snake. Someone has killed the snake. When we convert it into passive voice, then we will write the snake has been killed. The snake has been killed. We will not write by someone, or we will not put by agent or someone. So it's clear. Now I am taking second point. Sentences having two objects in active voice. There are some sentences which have two objects. So while converting into passive voice, we will take it. I gifted her a beautiful frog. Beautiful frog. Here it is active voice. In this active voice we have two objects. Object number 1, object number 2. So when we convert it into passive voice, we can take any one object to convert it into passive voice. For example, my sister was gifted a beautiful frog by me. Or we can say a beautiful frog was gifted to me by my sister. So we can take this type of sentences. These 2 points which we have not discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, now third number. Some sentences, firstly we take imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. What are the imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences which do not have direct subject. They always start with the main verb. Okay. For example, post this letter. Through imperative sentences, speaker gave suggestion, advice, request to the listener. Speaker means I, listener means you, means हमारा indirect subject यहाँ पर you होता है. ये देखिए आप, ये एक imperative sentence का example है. Here your main verb. This is your main verb and this is your object. And here we do not have subjects. So when we convert it into passive voice, we have two methods. First one is let method. Means let plus object plus beb plus third form of the verb. This is your first method of imperative sentences while converting into passive voice. So we will make it, let, this is your object, let this letter be, and third form of this verb, let this letter be posted. This is your first method of imperative sentences while converting into passive voice form. Now I am taking second method. Second method depends upon the formation of the sentence through which we are giving advice, suggestion, command, order or requested. So you will write, you are requested, ordered or commanded. Ordered and commanded same thing hai beta. Suggested, advised, plus 2 plus sentence means here post this letter we are giving command or order to someone. So when we make it, when we write, you are ordered to या commanded to post this letter. This is your imperative sentence type while converting into passive voice form. Now I am taking another example. Negative sentences. For example, do not squeeze the lemon. It's also imperative sentences, imperative negative sentence. So let the lemon not be. Here we will not use do in passive voice form. Let the lemon not be squeezed. If we take another method, then we will write, you are commanded not to, you are commanded not to squeeze the lemon. The lemon. Now I want to tell something. If we have plead sentence of imperative type या request sentence of imperative type, then we cannot use this method. We cannot use this let method for converting please or request sentence. You can take only you are requested to. You can use only you are requested to. So I am taking one more example of request sentence. You cannot make it through let method. You can make it through let method. Please complete your homework. When we convert it into passive voice form, we do not write this firstly. We do not write this and we cannot take let method. For example, you are requested to complete your homework. In imperative sentences, we have some sentences having carrying now word. So here we have different rule for converting. For example, stop your discussion now. We will make in passive voice like it is time for your discussion discussion to be stopped. It is time for your discussion to be stopped. Okay students, it's your imperative sentences that is completed. After that I am coming to indirect orders. Some sentences having indirect order, so they do not follow the rules of passive voice. So we have example, he is to report the matter to the officer. While we converting into passive voice, the matter is to be reported. Matter is to be reported to the officer. The matter is to be reported to the officer. Or in it is complete, but you can write if you want by him. So this is the sentence having indirect orders. When we convert into passive voice, then we will write the matter is to be reported to the officer. ब्रैकेट में by him आप लिख भी सकते हैं, by him और नहीं भी लिख सकते. After that we have only WH family question word sentence that is left. When we convert it into passive voice, so we will take one by one with example so that you can understand very well. So please be concentrated on the lecture. Firstly, WH family question word sentences are used to ask questions. WH who, एक्टिव वॉइस में आपको मिलेगा who, पैसिव वॉइस में जब आप कन्वर्ट करेंगे देन वी विल राइट by whom, and if we have whom then we will convert into who. Another WH words will not be converted, means what as it is what, why as it is why, how as it is how, and other which, whose. So I am taking example of who. Who is decorating the house? Who is decorating the house? बेटे, in the interrogative sentences, firstly you have to clarify. We have subject or no object or no subject or one or two. Means firstly, means here in this sentence we have no object. We have no object. So in passive voice we do not have subject. So firstly you have to keep in mind you have subject or not. You have you subject, object or not in active voice. While we converting into passive voice, so by whom is the house being decorated? By whom is the house being decorated? And at the end we will put question mark. Now I am taking whom example. Whom had scolded the teacher yesterday? Whom had scolded the teacher? The teacher yesterday. Who will be converted into passive voice? Who had the teacher been scolded yesterday? Okay students, these are your WH family question word sentences when we convert it into passive voice form. So now I am taking 2 more examples so that you have more clarity. Where does an ostrich keep its eggs? When we convert it into passive voice, where, then we see here it is simple present tense interrogative type. So where are the eggs? Where are the eggs kept by an ostrich? Okay students, when does they plan the visit? When does they plan the visit? When we convert it into passive voice form, then we will write when is the visit planned by them. Okay students, it's your voice chapter is completed. Okay, thank you students.